was gonna start cleaning my house, but you know, Amazon comes first. Remember what I ordered really. Oh yeah, so these are actually resistance bands. A lot like smaller than I thought, but I'm sure they work just fine. This is the extra light one. It's so thin. Like, I'm actually scared that it's gonna like rip. The heavy one. Oh yeah, so this one's way better. You guys can definitely do a lot more with that. Like, it's actually hard to move around. As you guys can see, them all lined up. Goes from extra heavy, heavy, medium, light, and extra light. I really just don't know like what I would use that light one for.
Daniel, Edwards, Passini, and nurse practitioner Deborah Haas, please press 5. Have a new patient, please press 1. For billing, 2. For doctors Crippen, Crone, Dalton.
Hi, I am a patient of Dr. Bruckloff, and I was just curious. I got accepted in a nursing school recently, and they're just requesting that I had a, is it called a quantiferin gold? And, okay. So, I obviously know that I look crazy because I just woke up not that long ago. I decided today I'm gonna get my life together. So I've been ordering a couple things online, trying to make a to-do list of stuff that I want to get done for the day. Usually I do it on pen and paper because I like doing it that way, but I just have a to-do list on my notes app in my phone. But I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I picked up because I feel like my skin needs a pick-me-up. I've just been ignoring my skin, my like skincare routine. Like, I slept in my makeup last night and still have it on, so I need a routine. It's supposed to like help you feel really nice and like rejuvenated and just fresh and bright, and I'm just excited. I just want it. I found this because of a YouTuber here on YouTube. She was doing her skincare routine and I saw her use this and her skin looked amazing, so I ordered that. And then I also ordered the other product that she was using, which was this Origins Ginseng. It's like a exfoliating scrub, and that looked really nice too. So that is what it looks like. I'm so excited. I just need to get this together. I already colored my hair. You guys can't see it right now, but maybe I'll leave like a clip or a picture or something right here. I added purple to it and it looks so good. I love it. Normally I would use this like little scheduler book that I got from Amazon, and it's nice. It's lasted me quite some time and it's very compatible and just like very handy that you could take anywhere with you. But it is pretty beat up and I needed a new one, so I also ordered this from actually this is from Target. I ordered this from Amazon, this organizer. I got this for nursing school, but I will start using it in July because that's when the month starts. But as you guys can see, like, this is so much more cleaner and also like triple the size, so I'm really excited to use this. I just feel like it's gonna help me stay a lot more organized. As you guys can see, I have all my little stuff in here. I carry some whiteout and things in there, but I feel like that will really help me get a little more organized.
crying little.
So bedroom is all clean. I'm just gonna wait for the sheets to get clean. I'm gonna wash them and dry them and I'll put my bed together. But everything else is good to go. So one thing I'm really excited about is I ordered a end table because my fiance took my other one to put behind the couch for like our internet cords and stuff and our router. So I had to get a new one, so I purchased one that had like a little basket at the bottom so it can hold some of my computer stuff or my laptop stuff. And it's so cute. I'll have to insert a picture right here. It's going to be really cute right here and I'm really excited. love of having pets. Look at all this hair. I don't look the greatest, but I just want to run to Walgreens and grab some new body wash. And there was something else I was picking up too, but I can't remember. But I don't really need to look fancy. I just wanted to look not homeless. So here's a better kind of view of these leggings. Seriously, so comfortable. I love them. And they're squat proof. But if you guys are interested, I will leave a link down in the description box. Okay, so I went ahead and put this all in like a little to-go container because I'm going to go to my mom's, I think, for a little bit. Now that my life is together and my house is clean and I'm feeling good, I'm just going to go relax and go hang out with my mom and my sister for a little bit. So I just wanted to show you though, one thing that I really like to do, and don't knock it till you try it, okay, is drizzle some peanut butter on my pancakes. And chocolate chip pancakes at that. And just like a teensy bit more. So good. So I have been attempting the Chloe Ting 2-week challenge, and you guys, it is the death of me. Like, I thought, you know, I work out consistently and I'm pretty in shape for the most part. I mean, I'm a plus size girl, but I work out often, I eat clean. So like, I was like, oh, it won't be so bad. Guys, like, I almost threw up. I was almost in tears. Like, guys, it's no joke. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video here because I'm exhausted. I'm going to eat a big old bowl of watermelon. I'm going to watch some YouTube videos and I'm going to call it a night. Bye guys.